I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making spicy pan-fried mango. For this easy recipe, what we need is fresh mango, and we need oil for pan frying. I'll use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, any kind of oil of choice, and I'm going to use crushed red pepper flakes to make it spicy. And you can also be creative and add any other seasonings you like. So first thing is I'm going to peel the mango. So to peel the mango, you can just use a regular vegetable peeler. And now the mango is peeled, so I'm going to cut it into pieces. So there's pit in the middle, so just cut it into large slices first, and then make slices as small as you want. And this is a pit of the mango, so now I'm just going to slice them smaller. And now we'll do the same with the second mango. So now I've sliced both mangoes, and I'm going to cook them until they're all the way cooked through and caramelized. So I'm going to add my cooking oil to the frying pan. You can use as little or as much as you like. This is a non-stick pan, so you don't really need that much oil. And I'm going to add the mango. Now I'm going to add spices a little later. I just want them to first be cooked and caramelized, and I'll add the spices at the end. So I'm going to turn the heat on high, and once it's heated and the oil starts sizzling, I reduce it to medium high and continue cooking. So now the pan is heated and the oil is sizzling, so I'm going to stir the mango. And I'm going to reduce the heat to medium high. And I'm going to continue cooking until they're tender, not to my liking. I mean, since mango, is great eaten raw, so it's not like meat that you have to make sure it's cooked through. This is more just a matter of preference and how soft you want them. So it's just another way to eat them. Pan fried, and it brings out natural sweetness, and it tastes amazing. So the mango has been cooking for 5 minutes, and I've been mixing it every minute. So see, it's like already soft, caramelized, and nicely brown. So that's it just looks different. The sugar caramelizes. So now I know it's cooked to my liking, and the last step would be to add the spice. So I'm just going to sprinkle the red pepper flakes. And also, if it starts burning too much, you can always reduce the heat. So I think after it's caramelized, it's actually a good time to do so. So I'll reduce heat to medium-low. And now, once I sprinkled my spice, I'm going to mix it. now continue cooking for another 2 minutes and then it will be ready. So after cooking and mixing with red pepper flakes, so I mix it about every 30 seconds so it doesn't burn. And now it's ready. Look how good it looks. And I'm going to turn off the heat. So this is a caramelized spicy mango. Looks amazing. So if you love mango, this is a different way to eat it and you're going to love it. So delicious. So take it off the frying pan. I turned off the heat. Perfect. So it's delicious warm and it's also good cold. You can serve it as a side dish or it can be part of a plant-based meal. There's just so many ways to eat it. It's great over rice or quinoa. Let's now try it. Looks so good. Tastes amazing. It's so spicy and the spice goes so well with the caramelized mango flavor. You will love it and it's so healthy, so easy to make and so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!